folks, this is Iratron. Hope you're doing great. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. Guys, we are showing off the amazing zombie pet. You're looking at him. He's standing up there on top of the cross, just being weird. And you know what, guys? That's how he rolls. That's just how he rolls. Anyways, what we're doing is we're showing this beastie off, and we're also letting you know that we will provide this to you for all you Terrarians out there who are looking, who have not been able to get their hands on this pet. We are here to help you out. We've been doing this for a very, very long time, and we are happy to hook you up. You know, the game is simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, leave us your gamer tag in the comments section, and we'll message you on Xbox Live. And guys, thank you very much for joining the new channel. Thanks for supporting us. Make certain to share, tell your pals about us, and all that good stuff. Share the video on Facebook, on Twitter, and, you know, Raptor, whatever the case may be. Anyways, folks, we hope you have a fantastic evening. Thanks for joining us once again. Take a beautiful look at that guy. We'll talk to you soon. Hoorah!
Rock like this, rock like that. Go ahead and get your grown man on. Drop it like this, drop it like that. Go ahead and get your grown woman on. Give me a bag of good and a bunch of tricks, cause everyone too tough to be rocking like this. So come on, shake the load up, come on, shake loose, shake stress. I got a busy yak and I can't miss my chance, cause shorty looking too good with the way she dance. So come on, shake the load up, come on, shake loose, shake stress.